I think it means a lot to the communities and to the region. I think having public art in areas that are maybe a little bit more outside of the main cities is a great idea.
I'm Kimberly Esslinger, and I am an artist cohort in Regions 1 and 4 for Arts Across the Prairie. I signed up for this program because it really gave me an opportunity to get to know other artists in my state, and one of my goals right now personally is to meet other artists and become part of that whole arts community.
It will have a big impact on our region and community in that it can set up some destination type attractions in the area and bring some people in to some areas that are maybe a little off the beaten path.
It poses challenges, and it poses challenges even on a technical front, that North Dakota is a very vicious ecosystem. Between the winter and summer storms and the temperature variation, I see what happens a lot of times through social media, and like a storm rolls through and hail, rains terror on the region, and to have that in mind and propose the design for something that you're willingly going to subject to North Dakota's climate is definitely a challenge of a rural placement.
The thing I hope to take away from working on site is a better understanding of how this process of building a placemaking installation works from start to finish. I think it's really important that as an artist, you're thinking not just about the physical space, but also how it's going to be used in the future by the community. And I would like to see how the community reacts to and plans around having these spaces in their midst.
Some of the key takeaways that I had from the online sessions with the artists were definitely looking at the area that you're making the piece in and incorporating parts of the history of the area into the project, and also looking at the materials that are available for whatever piece of art you're making.
I feel like art sometimes has the same benefits as a lot of other efforts and tools in the toolbox when it comes to workforce development, business retention. It is part of that portfolio of tools, but it kind of comes at it perpendicular. It is much harder to draw a straight line saying when we built this road, then these things were able to come.
In the end, they become spaces that celebrate the cultural heritage of North Dakota and increase awareness of these special rural places that exist all over our state.
What Arts Across the Prairie is becoming is this platform for the state of North Dakota to put their foot down, stand up and say, this is who I am. And it's actually a really beautiful message of what the state is, what the state has to offer, and to say it with art and to say it with creative expression is a platform that's been missing. So it's a wonderful time in the state that this is given an opportunity to blossom.